passageway of where the main sediment transport was going through. So all the sediment transport was going through one part of the W, and the other part of the W there was no transport at all. So you had clear water scour at one side and live bet scour at the other side, and you use equations to predict the scour depth, and they worked out pretty well. Again, there was no increase in water stage as a consequence of that structure moving. And that's an important thing to remember. So if constructed properly, they won't impact water level. Now, I haven't seen the designs, but if you're going to start with your structure up to that top level, then there is an issue. And how the hell do you construct it at 30-degree angle of attack on a river this wide? So you really want to be coming in at bankful level, which this is a little low, but the top of that is getting up to bankful, isn't it? So that's really where you're going to be taking the top of your structure. Heavens, why not use some woody debris? So it's what I call intelligent woody debris. Trees fall in and the buggers always go downstream, don't they? And then the water flows over and takes the bank out. They never fork up into the upstream at 30 degrees. So really what you want to do is, and what David doing now, using more rootwads on the trees, ductile anchor holding them in place. You want to put them into your fabric because you don't want them to check the water onto the roof. You've got to get through that. And what you're doing is buying time for the riparian vegetation to get established. Okay, it gives you extra habitat from season because of the structure. So that's in and over and above what you get with the natural meandrometry. So you're adding extra habitat, which is good news. But really what you want to do is just buy time until the right area is established, and then the stuff can rot. Okay, any questions?